Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Udemy courses. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar, you just have to search for Udemy. Now, once you are able to find Udemy's official website, which is udemy.com, you just have to tap on it and then you will be landed on this page. Now, in order to get a refund for any of the courses that you have purchased from Udemy, you will have to contact to the support for it. So before contacting to the support, I would highly recommend you to log in into that particular account in which you have purchased Udemy and in which you want to get the refund. So once you have successfully logged in, you will see these three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. So you just have to tap on these and you need to just scroll down and select the option of help and support. Now, once you are at help and support, you will see the first option, that is refund status and common questions. So you can just tap on it and you can just find further information on how you can get the refund. Or you will also see this option that says how to refund a course. So here you will have to just read this particular article so that you could actually get the refund. So in your account, you need to go to the purchase history section and there you will see the option that says request a refund. After that, you need to select that and select your course and follow further on screen instructions in order to get the refund in your account. So they have mentioned it very clearly, so you can just go through these details step by step and you can get a refund on Udemy. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.